Okie dokie. Hello, welcome back to my channel. You can't see, this is so cute. It's a little Pooh Shanghai Disney scrunchie. Should I zoom out? I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. But hello, welcome back. I am super excited because today I'm gonna be doing a like home slash electronics kind of haul of things that I bought for my DCP. I went to Target. I went to Target down in the States, and I also went to IKEA. So I have a whole bunch of stuff here. I also have an Amazon order, and then I bought something from Best Buy that I'm super excited about. So these are my things. The most stuff I bought, I think, is either from IKEA or Target, so I'm going to start with IKEA. This was mostly housing stuff. I've said this in a few videos, but I'm trying to buy my housing stuff here, so I'm not spending a ton of money when I'm down there and then dealing with the exchange rate. Ironically, even though I bought a bunch of the stuff from Target and the exchange rate's bad. Anyways, whatever. But I wanted to buy a bunch of stuff from IKEA, so this is what I picked up from here. First things first, bed sheets. I like buying them like this because they're all folded up, nice and small. These are... oh my gosh, I bought the wrong size. Wow, so we're gonna deal with this now. I'm an idiot and I bought size for a double bed, so I guess I'm gonna put these sheets on my bed here and go throw myself off a cliff because now I don't have bed sheets for my program. Cool! Wow, who let me exist? I'm very mad at myself. Okay, I guess we're gonna go to Walmart later. I have new bed sheets for my bed in Kelowna, I guess. I thought these were too big when I was looking at them, but I was like, this seems right because they aren't queens. I'm angry. I'm sorry, cat. Well, started this video off on a bad foot there. Okay, let's move on before I get angry. I bought an ice cube tray. I don't know if I'll really use it, but I know they don't come in the apartments, and I thought these would be the easiest ones to get things out of, so that exists. Some cutting boards. There's ones that are like thicker than these but smaller than these, but I thought this would be easy because we didn't have any cutting boards in our apartment, and this would just give us something so we're not chopping on the counters. 2 pairs of scissors. We also didn't have these and needed to buy these, and these were like, I think $3 compared to the States. Even at Walmart, they're like $5 for 1 pair. Can't stop burping, I'm losing it. Bought a hamper. It's small, it folds up, it's easy to use. 10 out of 10 recommend. Where's my knife? And then while the apartments come with like cutlery, they didn't come with anything sharp, so I bought a teeny little knife for like $2 so I can actually cut things. Oh, that's IKEA. Wow, I'm still mad at myself for that, but we're gonna move on to Target before I get madder, okay? Big things I bought from Target, which I don't know if these are actually gonna fit in my suitcase because I wasn't originally planning on packing towels, but if they don't fit, I'll just keep them here because I think they're really cute. And they were $5 a piece. These are just like some nice fluffy baby pink towels. If you can't tell, there's a theme here. So towels were my big one from Target there. I also bought 2 pillowcases from Target. I'm gonna buy my pillows down in the States, but I got my pillowcases here. These are like the t-shirty ones. I wanted to get sheets like this, but I couldn't find any in this color. But now I guess I need to go get them anyways. So I'm gonna go try and match these. So no sheets, but I have pillowcases, it's fine. Not in here because I'm using it, but I bought a super cute rose gold charger because I have one in my car right now, but it's kind of falling apart, so I wanted a new one because God forbid my charger just stops working at some point while I'm traveling. Bought new toothbrushes that are also very cute and pink, and these were like $1 because I left my toothbrushes at my friend's house, but look at how cute these are. I didn't know I could be a fan of toothbrushes until right now, you know? I have a few little things from Sephora that I'm just going to show super quickly because this isn't like a makeup thing, and I was going to do makeup separately, and then everyone was like, just throw it together. So I'm not going to talk about clothing, but a few little like toiletry-esque things. First with Sephora, I bought another thing of makeup wipes. Nothing exciting. I just keep these while I travel in my bag with me too. I bought a new lip gloss. This is from Fenty. This is like my favorite lip gloss ever. This is the Gloss Bomb. I have the Universal, which I also think I do have a new version of the Fenty Glow. This is like the Universal one. I'm gonna bring this with me. This is what I wore like every day last summer, but they came out with Fussy, which is like, looks identical but is more pink. So that, and it's the Sephora sale right now, so like things are on sale, so I don't feel as bad. This is the Match Stick in Amber from Fenty. This is what I wear every day as my contour. I also like that this is a cream, so I can put this with like no makeup underneath it, and it works really well. This is what I wore like every day last year. I have one of these now, but like I'm literally digging into it. I use it so much, so I justified that. I think that's it from Sephora, and then really quick, from Ulta, they had a sale on the Dose of Colors Disney collection, so I bought a lipstick. This is a nude color, but look at how cute the packaging is. And then this is a lip gloss. It's just a like yellow gold lip gloss, but again, super cute with little Mickeys. These were real cheap. Nice dewy setting spray because I mostly needed to spend money to get free shipping. And then an e.l.f. concealer. This is going to be way too light for me, I think, so I'm probably going to hold on to this until I get home. But again, I need to spend money to get free shipping. And then this was the main thing that I went to Ulta for. I don't know if I'm going to bring this with me, but I've wanted this for forever. But it's so pretty. It's like a nice neutral palette with some fun glitter, so I might bring this with me when I'm trying to kind of narrow down my palettes, which honestly, I need to do tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow. Hi, cat. Hi, buddy. Hi. So hopefully tomorrow I will film like my makeup kind of packing section, but a few little makeup-y things there. I'm done now. I'll leave you alone. I mentioned these in a previous video as well, but I bought a huge thing of Sharpies. If you don't know, I'm a character attendant, so I'm real excited about Sharpies. That's fun. Oh wait, I lied. If you're living in a hot climate, it is very important to exfoliate, so I bought some exfoliating things. These are my favorite. These are the Dr. Desgro's Alpha Beta Peel Pads. These are the ultra gentle ones. I like the ultra strength ones, but these were 100-point perk. And I got those in an order where I was purchasing these, which are new from Sephora, but they're glycolic peeling pads. They're similar. They look kind of like Oxy pads if you were a kid of the 90s who had acne when you were a teenager. But love those. Cat's here! Say hello to your fans. Say hi to your fans. Oh no, don't try and jump that far. You did it! Now on to like more electronic-y things that I'm also super excited about, but this is also where I spent the most money. This one's really fun, and this one I didn't even pay for. This is a Google Home Mini. If you were a Spotify Premium member, they do this I think every year, where if you like sign up through a secret link, someone on Facebook posted it that I saw, and then I sent it to a few of my friends, but they send you a free Google Home Mini for being a Spotify member. So I'm gonna bring this with me, and I don't really know what I'm going to use it for, but I think it'll be cool just to have like a Bluetooth speaker mostly in the apartment, and then even if I want to like set alarms through this, things like that. I just thought it was fun. They're regular like 50, 60, 70 bucks, something like that, so cool for free. Bless you, that was a sneeze, huh, bub? Then I have this big old box from Amazon here. Let me see if I can open it. I don't have a knife anywhere here. Ironically, I bought scissors and a knife, but I can't open either of those without scissors or a knife. First things, I talked about this in a couple videos. A bunch of Disney people have done this, but they bought this book for characters to sign. So it's called Everything I Need to Know I Learned from Disney Little Golden Book from Diane Muldrow. And every page essentially has like a different little character on it, so I'm gonna try and find all the characters that meet in the parks and get them to sign on their page. So not an original idea, but super cute, and it was only like $10, so I picked that up. I got another SD card. You can tell where all this stuff that I'm purchasing here is hinting towards what I bought, but I got a 128 gig. I have a 64 on my camera right now, but I feel like it still fills up real fast, and then I have a few different like smaller 16 gig type ones, 32 gigs, so I thought I'd just get one big 128 gig to use this summer. And then if you already don't know what I'm leading up to, these next two really give it away. Super excited about this. I bought a new tripod. The one I'm using now, Kate actually gave me last year. She bought it for like 10 bucks off Amazon, but it's not very secure. It's on a little ball and it's like just worn out at this point. So I got the Manfrotto Pixie Mini Tripod in black. This is what a lot of vloggers use. Super easy to hold. You can swivel it. It says way more secure than the one I have now, and supports a bigger camera. So excited about this. And then I also got a cute little camera case. So if you can't tell what I'm working up to here, I bought a new camera. Hi, cat. I'm still filming on my old camera now because I don't really know how this works yet, but I am very happy to say that I am now owner of the oh so basic vlogger camera that everyone has, which is the Canon G7X Mark II. So I got this as an open box deal at Best Buy. That's the only reason I got it. I would not pay full price for it, I'm not gonna lie to you, but super nice. It has all these fancy angles that I don't know if I'll ever use. Nice little touchscreen, but the quality is really good of this. Hopefully this video that you're watching now that I have the tripod and a memory card and stuff, will be the last video on this camera until further notice in case something happens and I want to start using this one. But please bear with me while I do, because I don't really know how this one works. Videos for a while may look a lot whiter and brighter because that's just how this naturally shoots before I have time to kind of figure out its settings. But I do have a new camera. You will get a new vlogging camera this summer, which I'm very excited about. I'm still bringing this one just in case. But this will be my like main camera now. And I picked up a little case for it. So this was super cheap, like under 30 bucks on Amazon. And I just thought it was adorable. Well, I guess I'm committed to owning this now because I've destroyed the box. This is super cute. It has a little strap inside of it, but it's a little case here that fits the Canon, and then it also fits a little memory card on top. So I thought now that I actually have a camera that costs me an arm and a leg, I should get a little case for it too. So we got a lot of electronic accessories, but then we also got a lot of home goods. So hopefully this was fun for you to watch. So that is it. Like I said, I do have a few more like toiletry beauty things coming in the mail. I did do a big order for the Sephora VIB sale, so that is coming in. And I also apparently need to buy new bed sheets. So that's the thing. And then I also have clothing and stuff like that. So if you'd like to see that in another haul, let me know. Besides that, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. In a week and a half, I'm moving. A week and a half. You only have a week and a half more with me. Are you sad? But in a week and a half, I am out of here. I'm back to Orlando. I'm very exciting. I'm losing my mind. I'm very excited. And that also means that next Tuesday, a week from the day that you're watching this, you will have a location reel video, so we will know where I will be working next summer. So that'll also be very exciting. So please subscribe. Join along if you think you would enjoy this. I'm here at least twice a week until further notice, until I move. All my links to everything else are down below in the description if you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, which I never use, all those things. I need to wrap this up before the cat destroys everything. Please subscribe, join the family, let me know what you want to see, because I'm back in Disney in a week, and I will see you guys in a couple days on Thursday. Bye.